He meets.
You fucking suck.
Hey, bro, he knows what I mean. He knows what I mean. That me up.
She's in last place. She's in last
God,
place
she's
in
last.
winning equipment. Oh my God, she's horrible.
Hey, bro, it's only her second race. It's only her second race. She's getting used to it. She's
It
getting
cannot be that hard. It literally.
She is on the best team in last place.
Oh, here
I
comes
wouldn't
Jack
say
My
the
Wood.
best.
Here he comes.
Jack My
Come on,
Wood.
Jack My Wood. Ride for the lead. Oh, this is gonna be great.
This is gonna be the best Atlanta truck race ever. Jack My Wood's gonna get it.
Come on, Jack My Wood.
Demonetized
Demonetize that.
Stage
Jack My
one.
Wood wins stage 1.
3 abreast photo finish.
That was crazy.
Wait, that was
an exciting finish.
That was really good.
Jack My Wood, stage 1.
34, 34, 34.
Bro, Landon Riggs is actually crazy for going for that. Bro is not Austin Syndrome.
Let's go, Jack Wood. Yeah.
But I tell you what, that was a big
Now Eagles a Jack Wood fan.
move
Oh
by
God,
Landon
I would pay
Tony,
$5 for that to happen. Tony, wreck him. Tony, wreck him. Go left.
Oh, no!
Oh, Captain.
You guys pointed
The
out
old
his
man of
issues
the wall.
early on how loose he was.
No caution.
Hey, no caution, no caution, no caution, no caution.
Keep digging.
Is he gonna get a penalty for that? Because he didn't commit in turn 3.
Oh, motherfucker, what do you want him to do? Fucking try to drive it all over? Try to
Well, I
drive
know,
it all
I know, but is he gonna get a penalty for that?
Maybe ran something over.
Probably not. I don't think
Not
so.
probably.
I think he does. Kyle Busch with a nice
Oh my God,
push.
Majeski. Whoa, whoa, guys. Whoa, Mikey. Whoa, Mikey.
Hear me out.
Never
Hear
forget
me
what
out.
Michael Walter.
He's shaking the truck. I think he.
Yeah.
Yes!
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 Go the yellow, go the yellow, go the
What are
yellow.
y'all cheering for?
Not for the yellow. Keep
Fuck
it green.
Corey
Keep it
on.
green. Keep it green. Keep it green. Keep it green.
Yeehaw, going green, guys.
Yeehaw, going green, guys. Going green.
Remember, Ty Majeski
Michael
stayed out as
Michael
well.
McShell. Michael
Lap
McShell.
time.
Final lap of stage
Wait a
number 2.
She will be.
His finger went to the bottom. Connor Rozak followed him. They're not going to have a good enough run to get up to the front. The move is on Majeski right now.
Oh wait, he
Jack
is
Wood.
Jack.
He wants these stage points too. Remember, he runs full
Oh.
time in the series last year's champion.
Where are you
Michael-
going?
Oh no.
Does he have a Majeski who opted to stay out? Finishes
Bro, if they
second.
do this at the end of the race, I'm gonna crash out. Get Ty Majeski out of second. He was the same guy that didn't make the move on Kyle Busch last year. He doesn't know how to race super
Hey,
speed.
do I celebrate this stage win like it's a win?
If you celebrate this stage win like it's a win, you're actually lost beyond
Oh
repair.
my God, he won a stage! No joking. After fucking Canada versus you. Not the first time Hemmer got pushed bad in the fucking.
Damn, he told him.
Yo, take the Yo, take the tinfoil off your head. Take the tinfoil.
Where were you
off
for
your head.
Harvick's second crash out in 6 days?
Oh no!
Oh, Maverick, no. Oh.
Oh my God, having to get balls.
Did he just blow a tire?
Yeah,
That
looks like he
sucks.
did, yeah.
Having to get
No.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I think he
Are you serious?
Oh.
I'm actually gonna fuck. What the fucking way, bro?
It's
Think
gonna
about
tell a
it.
joint.
Never push Kyle Busch.
Bro, Raja was running.
Kyle Busch.
Bro, Raja was.
Oh,
damn. Bro, Raja was running so good, bro.
He was.
Damn.
Hey,
Is Cody
Oh,
Rhodes
at least
number
Henry's
four?
out. At least Henry has damage.
Cody Rhodes number 4. This kind of draft racing, Loki takes talent. I think he just got loose, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
I thought he blew a tire.
It looks like he's just gonna come around.
No, no way.
Oh, that's
no
weird. No,
way.
that's not loose.
What the heck was
He
that?
didn't just lose it like that. That doesn't make any
That's
sense.
gotta be the.
He hit not- he
That's gotta be the left
didn't
rear
hit
or something.
anything.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think it's a tire going down. I think something just. I think something broke.
It literally showed the outside of a tire on the racetrack. Who else could that possibly have been from?
No, and I'm
Tyler
sure-
Bird. The O2 literally hit the wall 2 laps ago. What are you talking about? Perfect. Where is this tire off the car? Why is he sticking behind him?
What a move, Chandler.
Ben Rhodes earlier.
So
Ben
ass.
Rhodes was running second to Kyle Busch.
I believe it.
15
Bro, it's gonna be last year all over
Now
again.
they're
Oh my
demoted
God.
Every time someone jumps up in front, and he
Right.
made the moves, he's back to 9.
That's my brother. That's my brother.
Yeah, man.
This shows why you have to take the
Oh
run
yeah,
when you
Dawson's
can
in top
get the
20.
lead, right?
Yeah.
At least, and that's
Too much damage.
If Friesen and Smith can go to the bottom.
His ass got 30. His ass got 30 seconds of required.
In the draft.
He's a racer.
Come on, Daniel,
on, Daniel,
motherfucker.
let's
He ain't
go.
going
He
anywhere.
wants to win this
He ain't
race.
going anywhere, bro, except the
Literally
scrapyard.
Come
They're
on,
literally
Daniel. Oh, he's got more cars on the inside.
Y'all remember?
There you go.
No, Daniel. Block him, Kyle.
Up top, up top,
I'd rather
up top.
have Kyle Busch over Daniel Hemrick. That is
There you
crazy.
go.
Nate.
Oh, wow, he left his teammate.
Last place.
Wow.
Because he
From the third
There's
There's
area.
no way you could fucking.
Come on, Daniel.
Literally, how can you hate Daniel Hemrick?
2021. I'm a Cindric fan.
Still
Oh! What a
Wow.
save.
Ankrum, guys,
What a
he has
save.
that damage. He's
He
right
blew the left
behind
front.
Kyle Busch.
Yo, I hope
They
Ankrum.
screamed at the same time.
Bro, if he would've won with that truck,
really
bro.
is gonna hurt the bottom lane for a minute till they can
No.
figure things back out.
Yes, it would have, because can't even lie.
No.
Jamie, you're right. Tyler Ankrum
Would have been the worst thing since.
Well, Curry.
Bailey
The draft.
Curry saving
The
America.
draft. Reason. Why is
Stay there,
Friesen
Curry.
giving
Stay
this
there.
draft?
White
Please.
flag.
Friesen just sold.
No.
It's not. It's not. He should.
And Kyle's
Wait.
Oh no 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 no
Wait,
no no no
wait,
no no!
wait. Don't push him, Bailey. Don't push him, Bailey.
Yeah, it's over.
Come on,
Oh
Anchor.
my God.
Anchor,
Bailey!
push.
What are we doing?
Push.
For the cow. For the cow.
Pushing him!
Friesen got this. Friesen got it. Friesen got it. I'm dead off since this sport. I can't take it.
Yeah. Race, guys. This was so cool.
Well, this
Oh
is
my God, bro.
Where?
No, no.
Who cares?
I mean, the finish was better than last year.
The whole race was better than last year.
Look at
Cup driver running trucks, are you happy?
Alright, Rick's crashing out.
Bro, Friesen should have went to the bottom with Curry and won it too, bro.
Man.
Kyle Busch gets it done.
Jeez, fuck.
That would've
Oh,
calmed
there you go. You got your confidence done.
I would have capped off at Crazy. Dead ass.
Needs to get his.
Dead.
That's his
Cheating
only.
in the crowd needs to be executed.
That's Kyle Busch's only win in 2025, by the way.
Yeah.
Hey, what a finish. Looks like he's got a hot rod for tomorrow. This will help boost that
Fuck
momentum.
the leeches.
Holy shit.
I can't believe I was cheering for Stuart Friesen.
Yeah, at least it was a good finish.
No. No, it was horrible.
What's wrong with Friesen, bro? Fuck.
Bro, we should have started side drafting earlier.
He should have just wrecked him.
Kyle Busch just had the better line. I don't think he
I
could have
hope
done it.
every single one of those people cheering gets
Making his moves.
I feel like
Every
Harvick's
single
talking
one
to
of
his wall right
those
now.
people
Hard to beat it.
Fucking Rick Wall.
He's ranting to his wall.
Learned a lot today.
Kyle Busch's visor is tough.